Hey y'all, it's Amandaldogoli, your favorite Tupperware lady. I just wanted to show you my fridge smarts and just show you how versatile these are. This one I just cut up a whole celery stalk. I cut them off the actual stalk, and then I cut the ends off, and then I cut them in half and put them in the medium fridge smart. Then you gotta find the label on here, which one matches, and it's actually the closed circle. So after you're done with this, you don't wash it, your product or nothing. Put it right in here dirty and dry. Don't get it wet. So I'm going to put my zucchini that I bought from the store in here, and I just kind of wanted to show you how to use these. I'm hoping these will all fit. Alright, here's 1, 2, and 3. And this is going in your large one. Again, we gotta find which one it fits. It's the closed circle too. So I've got it on the closed circle. I don't know if you can see it right here. But all vegetables breathe differently. Vegetables and fruits breathe differently. So that's why we have the picture with the different breathable positions that it has. I also have some lemons I'm going to put straight from the bag in here. I like to do lemon water, so I went ahead and bought some lemons. So I'll just put the seal on, and goes for the half circle, and it's all set for lemons. These stack nicely on top of each other, you can see. And I'm just going to show you, my refrigerator is not the cleanest, but I use my fridge smarts a lot. And they are very stackable. Gavin, hold the door for me. Very stackable, and you can fit many. I removed my drawers for my crisper down here, and then I could stack my fridge smarts down in the bottom. So I do use my fridge smarts very often. See, I still have to put my cilantro and my English cucumber in one, and my tomatoes, but I gotta find some more in my closet to put in there. So I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the fridge smarts and show you how I use them. So have a good day.